So in yesterday's class, we started to see about the mathematical and string functions. Okay, last class we discussed about, we completed how to create a module, user-defined module, and how to create our own package and all. We completed with some example programs, and we have go for an extra mile also, how to access a module or package from another directory, that is from different directory or from different drive, how to access and all we have seen. Okay, so let me start with the class. Some basic mathematical and string functions. You can see the integer function. You know that the integer, it is actually it is called as a constructor because it's have a same name, integer. Okay, so the integer function is used to convert the given number into integer form, to the integer. Okay, and the string, okay, you can see int of string, convert the given string into integer based on its ASCII code. Okay, the second line you can see int of string, so convert the given number into the integer, that is. Okay, and next one, round off function. The round function is used to in generally, if you are printing the float value, means it will print the 12 digits. Okay, so but we need 4 digit only, we need 2 digits only, mean then the time we can use the function round function. Next slide, the example is there. This example we have seen yesterday. Okay, you can see in the first thing, with enter the first number, you can see the pointer 5, and the second number 3. 5 divided by 3 we given, so the number is completing I mean the result is showing 1.666, like this it goes. Okay, but we no need, we need only first 2 digits, that is the decimal points only. If you need, mean then you can see this pointing program, print result comma round of n3, that is the value, and comma number of digits, number of decimal points, not digit, number of decimal points want to show. Okay, so then you can see the result 1.67, 2 digits we mentioned, that's why it shows 2 digits, 6 and 7, 2 points, 2 decimal points it is showing. Okay, this is the use of round function. Okay, and one more thing also we have seen, octal and hexadecimal. Yesterday class we discussed about the number system. Okay, so regarding that I want to show one slide to you. You please see that. Oh, this much scratch, who made it? Okay, you can see in this number system. Okay, number systems, I already said in 11th standard, one chapter is there, 13th chapter, I think so. Okay, number data representation, I think so. Okay, the chapter name is, in the thing, the number system is there. There are 4 type of number systems are there: binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Binary base number is 2, octal base number is 8, decimal means 10, hexadecimal means 16. Okay, what are the binary numbers? Means 0 and 1 are called as binary numbers. Okay, octal means 0 to 7. Okay, decimal means, that is decimal means 10. Okay, so 0 to 9, totally 10 numbers. Okay, and hexadecimal 0 to f. Actually in hexadecimal 10 is called as a. Okay, what is the number 10? Actually 10 in decimal, actually how to call in, how to pronounce in hexadecimal number system means a. B is representing 11. Okay, C is representing 12. D is, what is it, 13, and 14. E is for 14, F for 15. So totally 16 numbers, 0 to, from 0 onwards. Okay, so this is the basic of number system. Have you get the clarity about the number system?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are 4 type of number systems are there. So in the things, you can take the 11th standard book, how to convert from binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, likewise octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, and decimal to binary, decimal to octal, likewise the conversion is there. Okay, these are all the number conversions. Okay, from one system to another system, how to convert, that all it is given in your 11th standard book, just to go through it. Okay, that is a basic knowledge only we need about the number system. Let me go to our slide. Okay, for because you want to know what is oct, what is x means. Now you can get some clarity. Oct means octal number system. X means, that is HEX means hexadecimal number system. Okay, so octal is representing by, that is 0 and O. It is the string type, string denoting the octal number. 0 and O, it's denoting what? It is a octal number. 0 and X, that is denoting it is a hexadecimal number. Okay, so we understand. So here the two function, oct function, x function, that is HEX function. These two functions are used to give what? The oct function, the given number, it will convert into the octal number system. Okay, and hexadecimal HEX number is there, no? So that, yes. Yes.
Sir, this is default, sir.
What default? Which is
Opt and X function.
I didn't get you properly.
Inbuilt function.
Yes, this is inbuilt function. Yes, we no need to define a function. These are all built-in function in the mathematical. It is a
Already predefined, sir.
Yes, predefined. It is predefined. We are
Okay,
using
sir.
many functions, no string functions like this. Integer function we use int of converting into the integer form. It's all predefined. Now, likewise, this oct and x are called also built-in function only. Yes, we should not use the default pi. It is built-in function. Okay, or else predefined one. We no need to define it. The function is already defined in the Python library. That is standard library. Okay. Yesterday we have seen no standard libraries, input function, print function. These are all defined in the Python standard library. Okay. Okay. So the oct function, you can see the program. Shall I zoom it? Is it visible or shall I zoom? Is it okay? Or you are?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see n equal to int of, I'm showing the cursor, you can see n equal to int of input of enter the number. We got one number that is stored in n. Okay, then print you enter, that is you entered number. What number we entered? For suppose I am entering 10. Okay, then enter any number. 10 I entered, that is stored in n. You enter 10, that is the second statement for confirmation to showing the message. Then on is a variable, merely it's a variable equal to oct of n. So the given number, basic number is the given number, the oct function, it will convert into octal decimal number, number system, number system. Okay, so what is the octal number means? You can see, you can get it. 14 is the octal number system. For example, 12 is a normal number, is a decimal number. Okay, decimal number system. If you want to convert into the octal number system means, what is the 12? What is the value of 12 in octal number system means 14. That's why I already said the 0 that is mentioning it is octal. It is an octal system. Okay. Then what is the equivalent number in hexadecimal system? 12 is a normal number. What is the equivalent number in hexadecimal? Likewise, the ASCII code and all we used to know. What is the value for the letter A, that is a character A? We have seen it is 65. Do you recall it? In initial we have discussed ASCII code of all the uppercase letters and lowercase letters, chapter 2. Can you able to recall?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so likewise, yes, likewise here it is a number system. Likewise, ASCII code, here it is a number system. 4 type of number systems are there. Okay, so that's why. What is for example, if we enter number 12, what is the equivalent number of hexadecimal? What is the number is in hexadecimal means 0x. 0x is mentioning it is a hexadecimal value. C is what I already said. What is the value of C in hexadecimal?
12, sir.
12. Is it 12? Let me see. A means what? Yes, exactly. That you said correct. A is, you can see the slide.
10.
A is 10. B is 11. C
11.
is 12. D 13. D
13.
E is, yes,
14.
14. F is 15. Last
15.
number in the hexadecimal is F. Okay, that is denoting 15. Okay, that is 0 to 16. So totally 16 numbers are there. That's why its base is 16. Okay, have you understood this one? Okay, come to the next one. This are all we have seen, and string function also we have seen. Join function, string dot join function. These are also built-in functions. Okay, or else predefined function. Okay, yesterday we have seen this one. I think one of the person want to mute. I think so. Shall you mute? Yeah, it's fine.
Sir.
Yeah, I think one of the students is better to mute the audio.
Sir.
Okay, it is fine. Okay, you can see this. And here the join function is used to join a given character with the existing string. Okay, for example, yesterday we have seen the hashtag how to join with the given string. India is a given string. Okay, suppose we can store the India in some other variable also. Yesterday we have seen this. Can you recall this? How to use the join
Yes, sir.
function in string, how to use the join function in tuple, and list also we can use. But what is the thing? We have to use only the join function only applicable in which data type? Applicable for which data type only?
Only
String.
integer data.
Yes, string data type only. Suppose you can see the third one, 1 2 3, that is the integer data type, but it won't work. The join function will not join the given character to the it only join the given character to the string only, not with the numbers, not with any other data type. Okay, this is the join function, and two more functions are there, also there in the string function. As already we have seen number of functions, string function in the chapter 2, e is upper, e is lower, all the functions are string functions. Okay, apart from that, these are all the also the extra functions are a split function. From the name itself you can see, you can understand, it will split the given character, that is a given string. One string we given. Okay, so how it will split? Okay, it will take parameters also. If you didn't pass any arguments, means it will split by space. Okay, if we pass arguments, means with the argument it will split. Okay, that is the use of split function. Okay, next slide. As you
Sir,
seeing in the slide, you can see, get the example also. Yes, please.
sir, in above join function,
uh,
if I am giving this string as a space b,
A space B. Okay,
then that hashtag will be placed where, sir? For that space also it will consider the hashtag.
yes, space also will be considered as a hashtag. For example, the string is A space B. For example, let I say A equal to A space B within the single quote or double quote. That is a character. Okay, now you are mentioning, you are writing the code hashtag join or whatever character join, dot join of the string. The string is supposed stored in the variable A. What will be the output? Means A hashtag space hashtag then B. Have you got it?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir, understood.
Yes. I think the split function is used to split the string into the multiple parts based on the arguments. Okay, for example, the split function, we didn't pass any argument, means it will split by space, white spaces. Okay, if we pass the argument, means it will split based on the given argument, that is given character. Okay, then replace function. First we will see the example for split function. You can see this better. Could you able to see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see the first line in the
Yes,
pointer.
sir.
Message equal to KV, that is they are giving OEF Kanpur, they given, that is a given string. Okay, then you can see message 1 equal to, that is another one variable, message 1 is another one variable, equal to message dot split. Okay, the split function they used, where we applied the split function into a string. That is, a message is a variable, it's contain a string. Okay, so we are applying on over the variable which contains the string. Okay, so as I said before, by default the split function will split the given value into the given string into this by space. Okay, split here, whether we pass it any argument in the split function, in the pointer I'm showing the pointer. No, is we pass it any argument?
Sir.
No, we didn't
No,
pass
sir.
it. Yes, we didn't pass any argument, so that's why it will take the white space. Okay, that's why it will take the space as a default argument. Okay, in the function definition you can imagine it, you can imagine, and the function definition in the parameter default value will be given as space. Can you able to understand the function concept? Three type of arguments
Yes,
we
sir.
have seen. No, position argument, default argument, named or keyword arguments. There in the split function, If you pass the character, that character by the character, it will be get split. Okay, if we didn't pass the character, what is the default value is defined in the function definition? Space. They are giving, for example, argument a equal to 1 space as a default value they given. Can you able to imagine how the function is defined inside the module? I mean, inside the library, how they
Yes,
are
sir.
default values they are using. Okay, let you see this output. You can see the pointer kv. Then what is the one more important point? You can see in the second thing, the output will be stored in the output will be printed in the form of list. That is a very important thing. We are giving in the form of string. We are asking to split the string. Okay, how it will split? It will split according to the white space or according to the given character, but the resultant data type will be in the form of list. Okay, that is very important point. Okay, you can see first function, we didn't pass any argument. Split by space, kv one space is there, so kv is taken as a one string, and oef, that is second taken, it will be splitted as a second string, and kanpur will be splitted as a third string. Have you understood
Yes,
this,
sir.
how it is splitting? You can see the pointer print of type of message one. We want to find the type data type of the message one. So message one data type is what? List. Okay, so
List.
that's yes, that's why I'm coming to tell the output of the split function will be in the form of list. Okay, the output of the split function will be in the form of list. Okay, shall I ask one question to you? That is, if a function is passing multiple values, how a variable receives, how a single variable receives in a call statement?
Form of tuple, sir.
Very good, very good. Exactly, you understood. Likewise here, this function, which function? The split function will return the string, given string, as the result value in the form of list. Okay, that is a concept. And next thing, you can see message 2 equal to, second example in the slide, you can see message 2 equal to, that is a variable kv@gmail.com. That is the string. Okay, for us it is a string. Okay, message 3 equal to msj, that is a message 2 dot split at symbol. They are giving the @ symbol. Okay, so with the symbol it want to split. You can see, get the output, how the function is getting the output. You can see, I think here in the second thing, you can see kv. I'm pointing this one, kv
Sir, that
comma.
argument should be in the form of string.
Yes, that is, we should pass as in the form of string only. For example, kv1@gmail.com. Even though the one also it is in, suppose we are mentioning any number, that will also consider as a string only. No, the split function completely works on string only. That's why we should pass the argument as a string only. Okay, so we are passing here at symbol. You can see the output, the pointing one. You can see kv as one split, and that will be taken out. That will be removed, and second symbol, second string gmail.com will be a second string. Could you able to see this? So how the, if you pass the argument means, if you pass a character by the character, it will be splitted. Suppose if I pass v, v for van. Suppose instead of at symbol, if I pass v, what may be the output? Can you say?
List of k comma
Yes,
at gmail. From
at
k
gmail.com.
will be split.
Yes, k will be one string. I mean, in the list it is a one element, and at gmail.com will be the second element in the result, that is in the list. Have you understood? It will split by the v. Suppose if you split by v, means that character will be taken out from the given string, that will be removed. Have you understood? Pa?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And last one, the replace function. That is, we already seen the replace function. Can you recall that way? Can you remember it in the composition of function, combining 2 or 3 statements into a single one? That time we have used the replace function. Okay, anyhow, I will tell it. Replace function is used to replace a character in the string. Okay, it may be a one character, it may be a group of character. That is up to us. Okay, for example, they given message, my message equal to I love Python programming, they given. Okay, there is a string. Okay, you noted all the split function, replace function, join function will be work on only string data type only. Okay, it won't work on another data type. Okay, that is a notable point. Let me come to the example program. My message 2 equal to my message, that is my message in that variable dot replace. What want to replace? Python want to replace. Okay, what want to add? Instead of Python, instead of the one word, what character it want to add, or what is the group of character it want to add? C++ they given. Have you understood? So what will be the output? I love C++ programming. The Python will be removed and C++ will be inserted in the position. Could you understood? The output you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the replace function, did you all understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay, so three functions we have seen in this today's class. One is join function. It will join the string based on the given character. Okay, and second thing, split function. The split function, I will scroll up. You can get the idea of join function also. Join function, the character dot join of, what is the syntax means? You can get the syntax. That is character dot join of string, str. Okay, so the string want to mention within the as argument. The string want to, the which string want to join, that string want to pass as an argument. Okay, then which character you want to add, that you want to mention as a prefix in the first thing. Okay, so that is join function we have seen. And next one is split function and replace function also too. Split function, by default it will split by space, white space. Okay, or else if you want to split by some other character, then the character will be splitted according to the based on the character which we pass it as argument. Okay, then one more important point, the split function will return the value or return the output in the form of list. Okay, list data type. That is the one notable point. And replace function is used to replace a particular character or particular word from the string into another one. Okay, listen carefully. I think if you mute means it will be better. Okay, please see this split function and replace function we have discussed. Have you all understood the concept of join, split and replace function, three functions?
Yes, sir.
And what about the oct and hexadecimal function? That also you understood, no? The number system.
Understood, sir.
Okay. What about rest of the students? Only Ashwant is answering.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harith. Okay, good. Let me go to the next slide. And next one, important function. This is very important library, URL library. Okay, it's a new one, and I mean new one means it is a different one compared to apart from the different library. For that we need the internet connection in order to run this program. Okay, so this is the URL. If you from the Python itself, from the Python program itself, we can get the details of an URL. URL means what? Can you say what is URL? Generally, what is URL? Have you heard the word, I mean the word URL?
Link, sir. Link.
I didn't get it.
Link, sir.
Link, yes.
Link for a
URL
web page.
means, yes, that is a web link. Web link, I think web link is called as URL. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, the URL full form, uniform resource locator. Okay, uniform resource locator is called as URL. Okay, so it is a library, it is a module. Certainly it's not a library, it is a module already defined in the Python. Okay, so that what is the use of that library means, if you want to open a URL, if you want to open a link through the Python program, I'm saying through the Python program, how to open a link, how to know the port of the URL, how to get the source code of the URL with the Python program. That and all we can do. We can use what is the port name, port number for the given URL. That is a given link. these are all we can use with the, we can obtain from the using, by using the module URL lib, that is URL library. Okay, so you can see Python provides URL lib module to send HTTP requests. That is, can you say what is the full form for HTTP? Do you know the full form for HTTP? It's a basic, no? Here I am pointing it.
No, sir.
No, you don't know. Okay, not an issue. Hypertext transfer
Hypertext
protocol.
markup.
Okay, good, good. So it is this URL module is used to send the request and receive the response from the web, using from the www, from the World Wide Web. Okay, so we can interact with the internet. We can make over with the Python program, we can able to interact with the internet, and we can send the request and receive the response from the site also, website also. Okay, this all we are going to see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, I mean upcoming session means now it is the meeting is going to complete. Please join in the second meeting. Okay, immediately join it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we will see in the next meeting. Okay, let me start. As a continuation of the last class, we have discussed what is the use of URL library. Okay, URL library, that is URL lib, is a module which is used to send a request to the HTTP, that is hypertext through HTTP to the web, and we can receive the response also from the web, that is World Wide Web. Okay, www. Okay, so this is the use. This is the interactive module which we can make through the Python program to the net, that is internet. Okay, so these are all the functions which is defined inside the URL lib. Okay, URL lib is a module, you know. What are all the functions are defined inside the module, sir? If you are asking the question, means these are all the functions. What's its use also, let me see. Okay, URL open. Okay, you can see this, I'm pointing it. URL open, we want to pass the argument, that is URL, which URL you want to open, which link you want to open. Suppose you want to open the google.com, then you have to mention what? http://www.google.com. you have to mention in the link of URL. Okay, in this as an argument. Okay, so it will use it to, you can see the purpose also. Open a website or network object. Okay, denoted by the URL. So if you want to open a website, through that link we can open it. Okay, actually web means, what is it? What is internet actually? Can you say what is internet generally?
It is a web which connects all.
Yes, actually it is a international network. Internationally all the computers are get connected together. That is called internet. Okay, it is not anything in the cloud or not anything in this apart from that. Okay, it is all just making the connection. Okay, the connection may be wire or wireless. Okay, all the different computers in the world are getting connected together in one thing, that is called internet. The connection, that the connectivity is called as internet or net, we are saying. Okay, so let me come to the topic. URL open. So the URL open, it is a function which is defined inside the module URL lib. So that is used to open a link. Okay, actually before we want to use URL.request, that is we want to request to the HTTP through the protocol, we need to make the request to the internet. Okay, and next one, read function. Object, I will explain it, okay, to you later in the upcoming example program. You can get note. Okay, read function is used to read the source code of the URL. For example, a website is developed, behind that some source code is there, whether it may be developed by PHP or we can use the JavaScript, we can use the basic HTML script, we can use even Python scripting also. Somewhat nowadays they are using to create a web page. Okay, so what are the scripts is behind it is running behind the website. Okay, which script it is running, the site is runs under the which script, run by which script, that URL, that source code, if you want to know, means we can use the read function. Okay, and another one thing, get code function. The get code function, it's return a code, whether the one name, for the number something is there. You can see 200 means if you receive the status 200 means the site is okay, it's properly running. You can get to know whenever the site is not connected properly means it will show the code 404 error. Have you seen that error?
Yes, sir, I saw.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, that type of error means what? It is meaning that the site is not available in the server. The server is not loading the site properly. Okay, that computer having some problem. Actually, where the website is stored? In someone's computer. That's all. Okay, the computer may be in our computer or your computer. For example, SB Python is a site. Okay, it is stored in my computer. Okay, likewise, it is storing. That is, we can store in a cloud also, in cloud computing also. From the cloud, it is used to run it. Okay, different things are there. Okay, so these are all things. And 301, 302 means redirecting. For example, we are supposed to click one site, but that site will taken to another site. That is called redirecting. Redirecting means we are opening a particular site, but whenever we after we type it in the address bar, after we give the enter, instead of that site, another site will get open. Do you understand? That is called redirecting. Okay, you can see literally in whenever you are about to download any movie or any songs, new songs, if you click that any website means it will take to another website. Have you seen whenever you're downloading the software also too? Have you
Yes, sir.
noticed? Yeah,
Yes,
it will
sir.
take to
Yes, sir.
another website, but that website we never give a request to that to open to a website, but automatically it will open. Two things are there. Pop-up website is there. Another one is redirecting. Another thing is there. Redirecting means instead of that website, another web page will be open. Another web page will be open. That is redirecting. Okay. Whenever we click download, another option, another tab will open in the same browser. Have you noticed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is pop-up. That is pop-up. Automatically the website will be, the web page will be popped up. Whenever we uninstall the program or after installation of the program, suddenly it will open it. One web page will open regarding to the company sites. Okay, these are all pop-up web page. Okay, much more things are there. This we have one separate unit for in the class 12. Okay, that is in a third unit we are about to discuss these things. Okay, sorry, second unit. 3 units are there now. Okay, let me go to the next one. Headers. That header means 1 minute. Able to see now? Even I minimized. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The header function is used
Yes,
to
sir.
the URL heading. What is the data is stored? The website heading it shows. Info means about the info. What is the IP address? What is the where the location is? What type of website that is? Whether everything is set right or not. That is the use of thing. Get URL means we can request your URL in order to tracking. For example, they are giving the false URL. Suppose I am giving one false URL to you. Okay, for example, www.python.com. If it is means actually it is a false URL. True URL, that is the original URL. Some other thing. Okay, behind the URL I create a link. Okay, in order to get the true link, that is can I understand valid link? This function is used. Last function, get URL function. Okay, that function will get the proper URL where we are getting connected to the World Wide Web. Okay, these functions, these are all the functions are used to connect with the HTTP. Through the HTTP, we can connect to the global, that is the internet. Have you understand what are the use of functions? These functions. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, what happened? Are you watching? Are you seeing this? The slides?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Ashwant only very interactive. And one more
Yes,
girl also. I think, what about you, Ma? Your name is?
sir. Reshmita.
Reshmita. Okay, guys. Okay, so these are all the functions names we are using it. Okay, so let me see the example they are giving. Import URL lib.request. The first line is very important. Please memorize this. You want to import the URL lib means import URL lib.request. Okay, this is the first line. And second thing, I said the object in the previous slide. You can see object dot. Actually, 2 dot. It is not only 1 dot only. Object. What is the object means? You can see the second line. This X is the object. We can give a name, whatever name, A, B, C, whatever variable, like a variable. But here it is called as object. Okay. So A dot URL live. Here they are using X. X equal to URL, likewise Ali's name. Okay, you can understand like that. But
So we
actually
can
it is
write
not.
import.
Yes, please.
After this import, you request, we can write some names, sir.
It is a variable. Actually, it is not a
No, sir.
variable.
In
Yes,
import
please.
statement.
Yeah.
As
I understood. I understood.
like that we can write.
Yes, we can use it. URL lib dot request as A. Suppose A is a name. If I give means X equal to A dot URL open, like this we want to open. Have you understood?
Sir.
Okay. So here let me see this. Yes. Here let me see URL lib dot request. In second line you can see X equal to, here X is the object. We should not say it is a variable. It is an object in order to access, in order to get the connectivity with the HTTP. Okay, that is
So
very
we can
important.
say this URL is stored in that object.
Yeah, of course. No, it is not storing. It is not storing. Actually, classes and object is there. Yeah, it is like a key. With the object only we can access. Without the object we cannot access these functions. Do you understand? Like a dictionary key is there, no? How to access a key? How to access a value in the dictionary? Through its key only, no? Like we should not say it is a variable. No, it is not assigning and all. It is a different concept. Likewise, here the X is different concept. It is not a variable. It is not simply assigning it. X is object. Through the object, we are giving an object for that. Okay, through the object only we can open it.
Value.
Yes, we can access the value. Likewise, okay. So URL lib dot request dot URL open. URL open is a function name. Okay, URL open is a function name. Through the function we can open any site. Here they given the Google. They are about to open the Google, and you can see print URL read. That is, we are asking to print get URL. Get URL function is used to receives the what is the URL name. URL name is, that is a link name. Here the same thing will come. You can see the output also. URL read http://google.com. It is showing. Have you understood whether it is a proper URL or not? Okay. And headers showing the date, day, time, everything. You can see in the pointer I'm showing in the screen. Header equal to, that is date, Thursday 16th May, whenever they're taking the screenshot that time. Okay. So current time it shows. Okay. Info means it's about the information, cache control, and what type of protocols they are using, what frameworks they are using, and cookies, every details it is showing. Info about the website. There is information about the website. Okay, the web page. Okay, and print. Next one, get code. What is the code is running behind these things? You can see this is the code running behind the google.com. We are opening the google.com. No, so what is the code is running? This is the thing. Okay, have you understood? So code 200 shows what? The site is okay. We have seen, no?
Good.
Get code. I'm showing now. 200 means what? The website is okay. Not any issue. It's running properly. Okay. 301 or 302 means redirecting. 404 means it is what? It is not found. The web page is, it is not in the server. It is not, the server is not providing the connectivity. That is the meaning of 404. Okay. These are all things. Let me see lively how this program is opening. I'm opening that. I already made this. Oh, it is a web browser program. It is not needed. I make it as a command line. You can see that is next concept I made for that. One minute, I will maximize the screen. So now first 3 lines you don't just avoid it. After that I will show the how to use the web browser. That is another concept. Okay. So import URL dot request. I imported A equal to, here instead of X I'm just using the variable A. You can use whatever it is a not variable. What I said it is
object. Sir.
Yes, very good, object. So here I'm using the object A in order to open the website. Okay. So get URL, all those things I'm going to print it. Okay, let I execute this program. Let me see. 1 minute. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. If you want to get connectivity to the internet, it will take some time. Now you can get the code. See, it's skews. This skews text means many texts are there. If I click means see 192 lines are there. For what I will show side by side. First one, you can see print get URL function. Can you see this? 1 minute, I will minimize it. Could you see the two window? Could you able to see the two windows?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So the
sir.
get URL, you can see the first print
Yes, sir.
statement. Yeah. Get URL function is used to print the URL. So here in the output, you can see I am highlighting now http dot www.google.com. So it is open. Okay. Next thing, read function is used to read the what is the script of the web page. What is the script? What is the google.com script you want to see means you can see this. I'm double click. You can see this is the script. They typed this much of script. Could you able to say maximize it? Could you
Sir,
able
they
to
are
see?
returning some codes.
Yeah, these are all the codes behind they wrote for to project the web page.
If you want to know
Okay.
the real meaning, you need to decode it.
No, it is already decoded only. It is not encrypted one. You can see they made the starting with the doc type, that is HTML, and afterwards they are using that. They are using the JavaScript inside it. The text decoration, these are all CSS property. I mean, CSS one concept is there, no cascading style sheet. Okay, for that where the margin should be, you can see this font. What is the font they used? Arial, sans serif. There is a font and font family. This is okay. Likewise, many things are there. So this is the code. Okay, I'm minimizing it. Okay, let me come to the next one. Oh my god. And get code. So these are the get codes where what is the data? You can see the header. Okay, header means the date, the time, everything. Now it is what 24/6. I'm hiding. Wednesday 24/2020. Okay, GMT, that is the Greenwich Mean Time. That is it showing that 8 o'clock. Okay, now in our India it is 1:38 p.m. Okay, so it's showing the internet, that site only where the scientist, the website is launched. That time only it will take. Okay, then information about the what is the cache control, what the servers, everything. I'm highlighting this one. Okay,
H
this
is equal to -1 means.
no -1. It is some arguments they are passing in the website. I don't know about that website, but there is a content of the website. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and info about that again the same thing. Info also. I mean last line in this program. Let me come to the program prompt. Info site also mentioning the same thing. Data. I mean date everything. All the data again, the date, time, the cache memory, all those things it is defining. Have you understood how to connect with the web? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Who's that boy? Very good. Okay, let I close it. Okay, let me go for our thing. Okay, instead of I'm typing the our website, we see. I also didn't see what will happen. Okay, not app. The .com and all domain name. Okay, so I'm just again running this. Let me see if I open our website means. Oh, it is opening. See, you can see this. What is the URL of our website? What is the code behind the website it is? And you can see the syllabus. 1 minute, I will highlight it. Where it is linked. It is linked with the Google Drive and assessment. Okay, this is the code. Okay, which we return for our website. Okay, this is again the same thing. The content length is how much length is this? What is the UTF I'm using? UTF-8 I'm using. There are two type of UTF is there. UTF-32 also there, but I'm using UTF-8. Okay,
Full form
so
of
these are
UTF,
all
sir.
the things. Sorry,
UTF full form.
unified text field, unified. Okay, that is there are two type of text. Actually, ASCII code is there, no? ASCII code is there, no? Likewise, UTF code also there. This is the unified. That is all the universal. I mean, everything. In the internet, we are using this UTF-8 or UTF-32. Okay, that also we define. We have learnt in the class 11 book. You can see there of 11 book. If you are having the class 11 book, you can refer it. Just go through it. Okay. You can see the server, where the server name is netlify, and you can see this.
Sir,
Okay.
age means?
Where here I don't know the site number maybe. Age means it's not our anything age. Okay. Have you understood the second
Yes,
program
sir.
also? Okay. Let me go to the
Yes, sir.
slide. Yeah. That's why they say before execution of the above code, we need to connect with the internet. Okay, if the connection is there, then only we can able to see this. Okay, so today we have seen these things, for math function, mathematical functions, oct and hexadecimal number system conversion we have seen, and the string function we have seen. What are the string functions? Join, replace, and split. These three functions we have seen, and one module, that is URL library module we have seen. How to make a request, to the through HTTP to connect with the internet, and how to fetch the details or how to get the details. Okay, from the site we have seen the google.com, and our website also we have seen how to receive the data through the Python program. So you can see that I didn't open the browser. Automatically through the Python prompt and through the output of the Python script, we can able to get the details. Okay, have you understood this concept? Did you all understand? Okay, so these are all the details we have seen, and tomorrow concept we will see how to open a web browser. For example, why you are learning means in the end of the this academic year you want to make a project. In the project, by clicking, you can use the tkinter, that by using that we can create a GUI, that is a graphical user interface, likewise button, clicks, submit button, all the buttons we can create it. Okay, once you click means automatically it will open the web browser and it will get the data, likewise, and all we can do the project. Okay, this is the seed for your projects. Okay, think about your projects, and you can set right your which way you are going to do it. Okay, so these are all the examples. Do you have any doubt? Yes, I'm hearing.
Sir, once again you tell the program, sir.
What program?
This program, sir. Example, this program.
1 second, I want to run now. Or you are saying
Yes,
what?
sir.
Okay.
Once again you tell that, sir. Program.
I'm just giving that google.com itself. I'm just typing. Okay, so I made the changes. Now I'm running this program. You can see this. You may start to ask doubt. Okay, I close this one again. I'm running it in order to get the fresh page. Yeah, what's your doubt? Please ask. Yes, you can start to ask your doubt. Here, this thing only the program. I mean, from import library only, these lines only the program we wrote. Okay, I will explain the program again. Import, we are importing the module. Okay, yes, URL lib module we are importing in order to we make the request. That's why I'm using the object dot request. Okay, so here A is object. We can set whatever object in order to open the functions. Okay, URL lib dot request dot URL open is a function. This function only can able to open the web page. I mean collect from the data from the web page. So which URL you want to open, so that URL you want to mention within the quotes, single quote or double quote, we should pass as a argument. Okay, then next you can see get URL, that I will show the output of this. So the get URL, you can get the what is the URL name, and read function. The read is a function. Yes.
In search box, they are using this URL open function only, sir.
Search box.
In
I didn't
Google.
understand. Yeah, what you are asking this, I didn't understand what you are asking.
In Google, they
Yeah.
are using this URL open function for opening the URL while typing in search box. They are typing some search box. We are typing no, sir.
Yeah,
Whatever
yes. Yes.
Same function they are using.
That I don't know what they are using it. Okay, they may use the JavaScript maximum.
So this function also we can use.
Yeah, yes, definitely we can use it. We can use in order to open the search box also. I understood your question. If you want to open this web browser through the URL open, we can open it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. And next one, get URL. We have seen the read function. It is a function to read the source code of the page, web page or website. Okay. Get code and get whether the status of the code, whether the site is running properly means it will return 200. Okay. Redirecting means 301 or 302. 404 means some error. Okay. And the headers means again it's still about the date and today date and every details of the website, current details of the website. That is very important. Current details. Info also same thing. We have seen these things in this slide. Have you understood these concepts? Have you cleared with this? All the students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
pa. Okay, very nice session with you. Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, for creating
Thank you,
website,
sir.
you use coding or
Thank you, pa.
created with
Thank
the
you.
help of another website.
Sorry, ma, I didn't get the properly. Can you say that?
Sir, for creating website, you use
Yeah.
coding or created with the help of another website, sir.
Which website you are asking?
Your website, SB Python.
That one I created, but I used another server. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but I didn't have that. I can host through the cloud computing. That's why I'm using another server in order to use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, students. Bye to all and bye. See you all in tomorrow next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, pa. Thank you.